Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix a WhatsApp date is inaccurate. To know how to fix WhatsApp date is inaccurate, you should just go to settings like this. You will click like this here. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp like this. We will enter here. And when you will see this page, you will go to full stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, here in this page, as you see, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.